Hi, Paul here again from Suzuki, showing you how our 9-inch unit for the Suzuki Jimny works. We've just gone over the radio in the previous video. This one we're just showing you a Bluetooth phone. So, matter just tap the icon there. You'll see that I've already connected my phone. You've got a giant keypad there, and in here we can look at, we can find other phones to pair with. In this case, I've connected my Paul's yet another iPhone. We're in there. It will download your phone book. You can download up to 3,000 numbers. You've got a giant keypad, as we discovered before. You can look at your calls there, and you can adjust brightness and so on. If you go back to the main screen and you want to listen to some music Bluetooth using wirelessly, at Bluetooth audio, and you can control your songs there. You can change tracks, up, raise volume, and the volume is all dependent on the volume you have on your cell phone. So that covers it pretty using the Bluetooth on the device. And keep watching, we'll put another video on in just a few seconds.